Hello, welcome to JC Street Customs, the do-it-yourself channel for custom street bikes. Hello, and welcome back to the next video of my project. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to find the terminal connections that you need to repair this harness. The terminals were broken. This unit was in a accident and was damaged. It was I bought it knowing that it was damaged and it did not work. So for me to make it work, I'm going to need to find where these broken wires are going and what they're for, because they make connections to something on the motorcycle. So I'm going to be showing you how to find the parts that you need to repair the harness back to manufacturer specifications, and so that you may connect it to your motorcycle once you get it together. For now, so let's get to it. Okay, so we know that the harness is damaged, and obviously we have missing terminal connections. So we need to find out what this was in order to be able to order it for purchase. Same with this one. You can see it's broken pretty good. You know, you have an idea of close to what it is, but you know, how are you going to know what part you need to order? So we have these two that need to be replaced. We also have wires that are going to be needed to be replaced too, because these wires have been smashed. There's a possibility that they're broken inside, and you know, again, you'll have to do continuity tests to figure that out. But you will need to get new wiring. And then also, this is the main fuse box. This fuse box is toast. It's destroyed. So we need to find the new parts to figure out what. Now obviously we're going to know that this is a fuse box, but you don't know how many fuses are in here. So to do that, you're going to need to revert back to your manual. So in the manual, come over here. In the manual, what we need to do is look to see if you remember the color codes. You know, look at the color codes here, and let's just say trying to, if you can get close, you can see what color codes are. So we see that here looks like we have a connection here, most likely, common sense would say. So we got a gray wire, and we have a yellow, I think this is yellow with a black stripe maybe, or actually black with yellow. That's black with yellow stripe. Okay, so black with yellow stripe. So being that this harness is the meter gauge. The meter gauge is basically where your miles per hour, your fuel gauges, all that stuff is. So that's that connection here. So it's coming off of there. So that's most likely on the schematic is where you're going to be kind of looking for it. It doesn't mean it's always going to be there, but I use it if you have the front of the bike and you have the rear of the bike. So go to, say, the front, and we know that this is the meter unit, right? So it says their meter unit. Okay, so we need a black with yellow stripe and gray. So let's look at Mr. Crankshaft here, and we just go down. Look, we got Look closely here. Black with yellow. Black with yellow, which is the front right turn signal light. And you have gray, which is GY, front right turn signal lights. Okay? So we know what one, we have front right turn signal. That's one terminal connection we need. And the other one is, we got a blue with black stripe and a black with yellow. So a blue with black stripe and black with yellow. We go over here. Say blue with black. You have black with yellow. And that is called the city light LED. So if you have city light LED and you have front right turn signal light, okay? Now next is the fuse box. So it's the main fuse box. Fuse box 1. Alright. So we know we have fuse box 1 we need. Now the next thing is you have to do research to find out where you can purchase it, if you can purchase it. And I'll tell you how to do that coming right up.